Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput. Today's topic is fundamental concept of stoichiometry. What is the stoichiometry? Analysis of quantities and ratio of products and reactants in chemical products and chemical reactions. Determine how much of particles, chemicals will be needed to reactant or chemical reactions produced by the chemical reactions. For example, moles and molecular, it is required for mole and molecular weight. Mole is a group of 6.0 to 10, a group of 6.0 to 1023 molecules. Molecular weight related to the mass of one molecule of that material, that mass of one molecule of material, and m is equal to number of moles, and m total is equal to total mass gram or kilogram. Is equal to molecular weight and gram per mole. This is the formula of isolate the mole and molecular weight. M is equal to m total upon mm. Now, how to balance the equations? Determine the ratio between chemicals. Each atom present in the reactants will also be present in the products. Each mole present in the reactants will also be present in the products. This is the example how to balance our reactions. Formation of water H2O from O from consumption of diatomic hydrogen H2 and diatomic oxygen. अब एक बैलेंस इक्वेशन को करेंगे कैसे H2 plus O2 is equal to H2O. That means H2 contain two molecules, O2 contain two molecules, and this reaction is not balanced. For example, H contain 2 moles, this is the reactant, and product is 2 molecule. O is equal to 2 moles and O is equal to 1 mole. So this reaction is not it is ये जो reaction है हमारी unbalanced है, तो इसको balance कैसे करना होगा? So this is the balance equation. Try to equate the particular reaction number of moles by the oxygen. Multiply the number of mole oxygen in water by 2 and revise equation. Take from the H2 plus O2. So we are adding a 2 oxygen. So we are adding 2 moles hydrogen to balance this reaction. So this is called स्टाइकोमेट्री. तो स्टाइकोमेट्री जनरली ये होती है कि अनबैलेंस इक्वेशन को आपको कैसे इक्वेशन को कैसे बैलेंस करना है. तो जनरली स्टाइकोमेट्री में ये आप कैसे बैलेंस इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करेंगे, ऑक्सीजन कितना है, हाइड्रोजन कितना है, इस इक्वेशन को जनरली आप बैलेंस करके स्टाइकोमेट्री को इजीली समझ सकते हैं. So this session powered by digital version of 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.